Cost estimating. The budget doesn't actually die from big mistakes. It dies from tiny estimates everybody rounded. You know that stomach drop moment when finance asks, why are we already at 70% spend? And you're thinking, but you haven't even done the big stuff yet. The team starts defending, the sponsor starts frowning, and suddenly you're not managing a project, you're managing trusts. The problem isn't that your estimate was wrong. The problem is life happened and the budget never made room for it. So here's the cost estimating tip that saves budgets. Build a 3-layer estimate. Layer 1, base cost, the work if nothing goes wrong. Layer 2, known risk, the we already know this might happen costs, permits, vendor delays, rework, approvals. Layer 3, unknown buffer, a small contingency based on complexity because reality always shows up. A quick example. Say the vendor scope is 10 million as a base. You already know approvals can drag, so you add maybe 1 million for coordination and likely rework. And if it's a new supplier, you add a small buffer of about 5 to 10% because reality will show up. So when delay happens, you're not suddenly over budget. You're still inside the plan. Good estimators don't predict perfectly. They protect the budget with honesty. Comment estimate, and I'll share you a 1-page, 3-layer estimating template you can use immediately, and also join our cost estimating class so you can gain more insight. See you in class.